Hi everyone. Before that, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Andika Ardian in kelas TPTH B. Here, I will explain a little material about seed sowing technique. The first, what is a seed? A seed is the beginning of a new plant. It is a small part of a plant that contains an embryo baby plant, stored food, and unprotected outer covering called the seed coat. Number two, how to sow. The way you sow seeds differs on the type of crop. Some crops can be sowed directly into the soil, while others need to be started in seeds and then transplanted for fast-growing crops. It's best to sow little but often, every 10 to 4 for 40 days to avoid having too many to harvest at once. Number 3, direct sowing versus seeds bed. Direct sowing means planting seeds directly into the ground. Dig a shallow drain or drill, place the seeds, cover them with soil and water well. Avoid sowing too closely to reduce the need for tiny. For curtain crops like leafy brassicas, use a seed bed first. Once once they grow a few true leaves, transplant them to try final growing position. Next, outdoor sowing and suitable crops. Outdoor sowing requires well prepared soil with free and with a crumbly texture. Suitable crops include flowers like cornflower, sunflower, and poppy, as well as vegetables like carrots, beans, peas, and lettuce. lettuce. This method is great for gardeners who don't have space for indoor trays or propagator. Okay, next, sowing seed technique. First, dig the soil and let it settle. Cover it with plastic or fleece to keep it warm and prevent weeds. When ready, make a sow trench using a stick, small hook, or the corner of a rake. Sprinkle seeds tiny into the trail and label the rows so you know what you plant. Covering. Okay, next, covering seeds and using media. After sowing, cover the seed with place to protect them from wind and to retain moisture. Use a good potting medium like peat, peat-free compost to stop the soil from becoming hard and crusty after rain, which can block seed growth. Okay, next, common problems when sowing. You may face problems like complete soil after heavy rain, which makes it hard for seeds to sprout. Birds like pigeons may eat uncovered seeds. Slugs and snails may attack your seedling to much moisture. Can also lead to dumping of when seeds rot before growing properly. And last, final tips for success. To success with sowing, number one, sow small amount regularly. Number two, use the right tools and compost protect seeds from pests, whether in dry weather. With good, with good care, your garden will grow beautifully. Thank you.